Welcome back to Tap Tech, the place where we explore the latest gadgets and innovations shaping our everyday tech experience. If you love authentic reviews that go deep but stay simple, you found the right channel. The Garmin Instinct series has always stood out as one of the most rugged smartwatch lines in the world, and with the latest Garmin Instinct watch, that tradition continues. Garmin has taken everything people loved about the previous Instinct models and pushed it further, making this watch not just an outdoor tool but a lifestyle companion for anyone who values durability, performance, and adventure. But the big question is, does this watch actually live up to the hype? Let's take a closer look. At its core, the new Garmin Instinct watch is built to handle tough conditions. It's military standard 810 certified, which means it can withstand extreme heat, shock, and water immersion. It's water-resistant up to 100 meters, making it perfect for swimmers, divers, and those who don't shy away from heavy rain or rough environments. Garmin has always targeted adventure seekers with the Instinct, and this model continues that promise with unmatched toughness. The design stays true to the Instinct's rugged DNA. It's bold, chunky, and not shy about showing that it's made for the outdoors. The fiber-reinforced polymer case is both lightweight and durable, and the chemically strengthened, scratch-resistant glass ensures the display can take a beating. This isn't a watch designed for sleek boardrooms, it's designed for the trails, the mountains, and the deep waters. And yet, despite its tough look, it's surprisingly comfortable to wear for long hours thanks to the silicone strap that holds snugly without irritation. Speaking of the display, Garmin has stuck with the monochrome, sunlight visible, transflective display that has become a hallmark of the Instinct line. While it's not colorful like AMOLED or OLED smartwatches, this display excels where it matters most: outdoors. In bright sunlight, it remains crystal clear, and the always-on nature means you can glance at your stats instantly without fiddling around. It's functional, battery-efficient, and highly practical for real-world adventure use. Performance is where Garmin usually sets itself apart, and the Instinct watch is no exception. It comes with multi-band GPS support, GLONASS, and Galileo for accurate tracking even in dense forests or deep valleys. Hikers, runners, and explorers will appreciate the reliability of its navigation tools. Garmin has also introduced improved sensors, including a heart rate monitor, altimeter, barometer, and compass. Together, these give a complete picture of your environment and your physical performance, no matter where you are. On the software side, the watch runs Garmin's lightweight but powerful operating system. It includes support for over 30 sports modes, from running and cycling to skiing, climbing, and even tactical features for specialized use. For health and fitness, it covers essentials like heart rate monitoring, VO2 max estimation, stress tracking, sleep analysis, and body battery, which tells you how much energy your body has left. This makes it not only an outdoor tool but also a daily wellness companion. The watch also integrates with Garmin Connect, which is a powerful platform for analyzing training and health data. Pairing with your phone is simple, and notifications work seamlessly. You can get call alerts, messages, and app notifications directly on your wrist, which is great when you're out on an adventure and don't want to pull out your phone constantly. Battery life is another huge selling point of the Garmin Instinct watch. In smartwatch mode, you can expect up to 28 days depending on usage, and in GPS mode, it delivers anywhere from 30 to 60 hours. If you go for the Solar Edition, which has a power glass lens that harvests sunlight, you can extend those numbers even further. This makes it one of the most reliable watches for long expeditions where charging options are limited. In terms of connectivity, the watch offers Bluetooth and ANT Plus support, making it easy to pair with external sensors like heart rate straps or cycling accessories. It also supports Garmin Pay for contactless payments, which is a small but convenient feature when you're traveling light and don't want to carry a wallet. Now, let's talk about value. The Garmin Instinct watch is not the cheapest smartwatch on the market, but it's not trying to be. It's designed for a very specific audience, people who want durability, reliability, and performance over flashy features. Compared to premium AMOLED smartwatches that last only a day or two on a charge, the Instinct delivers weeks of usage and toughness you can't get elsewhere. For the price, especially if you choose the solar variant, you're getting a lot of value if you're someone who will actually use its rugged capabilities. Of course, there are pros and cons. On the positive side, the Garmin Instinct watch is incredibly durable, has outstanding battery life, reliable GPS, and is packed with outdoor and health features. The display works perfectly in all lighting conditions, and the solar version gives you even more independence from chargers. On the downside, the watch doesn't have a fancy AMOLED screen, it lacks some smart features like music storage or advanced apps, and its rugged look may not appeal to everyone. So what's the final verdict? The Garmin Instinct watch is not trying to compete with lifestyle smartwatches like the Apple Watch or Samsung Galaxy Watch. Instead, it's focused on adventure seekers, athletes, and anyone who values toughness and reliability above all else. If you want a watch that can survive the harshest conditions, track your activities with precision, and keep going for weeks on a single charge, this is one of the best options out there. For people who spend more time outdoors than indoors, this watch isn't just a gadget, it's a companion that can keep up with your lifestyle. It's built for those who push boundaries, explore the unknown, and need technology that won't fail them when it matters most. That wraps up our review of the Garmin Instinct watch. Thanks for watching Tap Tech, where we bring you real reviews and insights into the latest tech. Stay tuned for more deep dives into gadgets that matter, and we'll see you in the next one.